Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely made up, but every single word is true. Watch till the end. October 13th, 1917. A muddy field in Fatima, Portugal. 70,000 people are standing in the rain, waiting. 3 shepherd children have been telling anyone who would listen that something was going to happen that day. Most people showed up to prove them wrong. Atheist journalists, government officials, people who wanted to watch the whole thing fall apart. Then the clouds broke open, and the sun started to spin. It pulsed with color, it zigzagged across the sky, and then it dropped, straight toward the earth. People screamed. Grown adults fell to their knees in the mud, convinced they were about to die. Then it stopped, and the ground, which had been soaked from hours of rain, was suddenly completely dry. The skeptical reporters went back to their newspapers and filed exactly what they saw. First person, under their real names. 70,000 witnesses. 0 explanations that have ever fully held up. That happened.